Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through common vacuum maintenance for your Dreame D10 Plus Gen 2. If you're interested in this product, be sure to shop the link in the video description. Starting with the top, you can always wipe down this as needed. And if you ever notice anything creeping into your LiDAR sensor, just grab a can of compressed air. You might have success tipping it upside down too. You want to make sure that that stays nice and clean and free from any debris and obstructions. And moving along, we can open up the cover to reveal our dustbin. That's removable. We'll spend a minute there. We also have a cleaning brush and tool here that you could brush out the inside here. Again, compressed air could be your best friend over the course of time as really fine dirt and dust will start to settle and collect all throughout the vacuum as it's running around your house. We have our filter that's replaceable here. Very easy to remove and replace. You can breathe some new life out of these filters by giving them a nice tap every once in a while. And again, compressed air can help. Then we have our washable dustbin, and they have instructions for you here to care for it. Just make sure what's really important that you give this enough time to dry before you use it again. You don't want to make a wet mess. You get full access to the inside to rinse it out as needed. Don't get this filter wet, but everything else here you can rinse out, and then you can take your filter and snap it right back on, and then put it right back in the vacuum. Looking at the very front of the vacuum, make sure that the vacuum bumper is operating properly and free from any debris that might collect at the top that could obstruct the bumper from fully moving as needed. And then wipe down the front sensor periodically, making sure that it's fully free from any dust and dirt that might build up or collect on there. Looking at the underside, we have multiple sensors that you can wipe down, and same with the charging contacts. Make sure those are nice and clean. For the side brush, very easy to replace. Just pop it off and you can put a new one on once it's worn out. And you can pop it off to easily clean any tangles and hair that might start to collect around here. And again, it just snaps right back on. The main brush roller is also replaceable. Nice rubber agitator here. Very easy to clean. You can just rinse this off and let it dry out. Detangle the hair on the sides, or if you have any in the middle, you get the idea, but you can cut those away. And in here, you can just wipe down as needed. Very easy to get access to the main parts and components. Your self-empties right here, you can make sure that's free from obstructions. Again, common theme here, compressed air would be your best friend. And then for our mopping padded module here,
Water tank has been removed.
it's just held on by Velcro. So you can grab that, easily wash and rinse it out in your sink, throw it in your washer if you want, buy some new ones to replace every once in a while if you don't feel like cleaning it that thoroughly. You can do that. Here's where you put the water in, so nothing you'll have to do there. They have instructions for you, no detergents, but again, the mop pad itself, very easy to remove. And you can wipe down the contacts there and underneath here. But overall, simple and straightforward to clean and maintain your Dreame D10 Plus Gen 2.